Tips for optimizing car parts catalog management. Upload the product data carefully. Challenges like inaccurate product data, multiple formats, and category wise mapping can really make it tough to manage the online catalog. So, in order to comply with certain guidelines, you should gather every single detail and be consistent across all channels. You could spend some time in going through uh, white papers that give an idea of how to deliver a consistent product view. Be sure about the product tagging. After a keyword research, you should ensure that the tags are linked to the keywords. In fact, this is necessary because it helps customers to find car parts when they are having a look at the search engine result. For enhancing the SEO rank of the e-commerce website, you use tag clouds and make sure that the product tags are clickable. Be creative with product description. As you update the aftermarket parts a catalog, write product description with a creative bent of mind. As unique descriptions are posted online, you can actually entice customers to check out the car part and make an online purchase. While you emphasize on specific lines and phrases, you shouldn't forget to add HTML header tags. Create a master file. Creating a master product sheet can always make things easier when you have everything entered is on sheet. Apart from the information, you should also include images, part number, and the price. Implementing such kind of sheet can streamline tasks pertaining to data management. Synchronize inventory. If you are trying to manage different e-commerce channels, then it's important to manage inventory. As the content is optimized from the SEO perspective, you can use tools rather than uploading inventory details on your own. Moving ahead, you need to automate the task or delegate it someone who would just be synchronizing product inventory. Explore digital marketing techniques. As you manage a digital campaign, the product features should be highlighted properly. This tip can help to optimize the catalog indirectly and aid to drive sales after all. When you have done a good job in designing ads, you are sure to make the catalog visible within the search engine results. Finally, integrating the catalog with an ERP solution would work for updating the inventory from the front as well as back end. As the customers adds parts to the shopping cart, the order would be processed and fulfilled quickly. If the steps seem tedious, then you can consider outsourcing the task to a third party vendor. A few points on safe driving in bad weather. The most important aspect of driving is to reach the desired destination alive. Hazards come secondary when defying death becomes the main aim during a weather atrocity. Bad weather can have a disastrous effect on certain leaves that do not follow the safety precautions while driving. The following are the safety tips for driving amidst such bad weather. Check your vehicle thoroughly before you set out. Make sure that the vehicle is fit to with withstand the weather. This includes examination of lights, indicators, brakes, tires, wipers, steering wheel, and exhaust system for any petty issues that can irritate you on the way. Any major faults should be cleared at the service station instead. Avoid getting stranded without fuel. Plan in advance where you will refuel. Most importantly, the vehicle must not be overloaded. Plan your route in advance and inform about Ha- Plan your route in advance and inform about it to responsible friend or family member who is not traveling with you. This should be done before starting to travel. Updates about the course of the journey should also be given if possible. This keeps them alert and you have somebody to ask for help if you get stuck just nearby a safe location. Finally inform them on reaching the destination safely. Weather reports should be checked for the areas along the road that you will be driving through before leaving at home. It is particularly important for you to update it about the current scenario. This helps you getting prepared for the possible risk of driving in heavy rain or snow. While driving, turn on the car's radio to a station that will alert you about any approaching dangers. Postcode. This keeps them alert and you have somebody to ask for help. You get stuck just nearby a safe location. Finally, inform them on reaching the destination safely. Weather reports should be checked for the areas along the route that you will be driving through before leaving the home. It is particularly important for you to be updated about the current scenario. This helps you getting prepared for the possible risk of driving in heavy rain or snow. While driving, turn on the car's radio to a station that will alert you about any approaching dangers like storms in the area. Maintaining a defensive behavior not only helps in your own safety but also aids in the safety of other travelers. One needs to avoid distractions such as using your cell phone and focus on the road. Reduce your speed, slow down by 10 miles per hour below the actual speed limit. Lights should be kept on during any situation with lowered visibility because being visible is another important aspect of safety on the highways. Do not expect others to be as obedient to the law as yourself. Dip your headlights before a vehicle approaches within the range of the main beam. Driving on the blind spot of other vehicles or urgent braking should be avoided. This can lead to unexpected collisions. Maintain a safe distance at all times, especially at night and during foggy or snow conditions. Overtake with caution only when it is absolutely safe to do so. Carefully evaluate beforehand whether to follow your travel plan and risk your life or instead let the bad weather to pass. The single most recommended tip to be kept in mind. If you are unable to handle your vehicle safely, you should not be driving on. You get that feeling of being uncomfortable. You should stop your vehicle as soon as you can safely do so. Sometimes uncertainty can be certainly dangerous. We provide reasonable and qualitative content writing service to various types of clients across the globe. People with any type of content requirements kindly visit